Welcome to Click and Flow, where smarter tools meet faster workflows so you can become the most efficient version of yourself. Today, I tried something a little crazy. I used 5 different AI tools to replace a full 8-hour workday. No meetings, no to-do lists, just pure automation. Let's break it down. First up, ChatGPT. I gave it my email backlog and asked it to sort, summarize, and draft replies. In 12 minutes, it did what usually takes me 2 hours. All I had to do was tweak and hit send. Next, Notion AI. I dumped my scattered notes into it, and it turned them into organized tasks and clean documentation. I wasn't just planning, I was delegating to my future self. Then came Canva AI. I needed a promo post. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I used Magic Design. In 30 seconds, I had 3 designs to choose from. No stress, no second guessing. For research, I used Perplexity AI, a search engine on steroids. It gave me source-backed, summarized answers faster than any Googling session I've had in months. And finally, Pictory AI. I took a blog post and turned it into a full narrated video. No editing, no voiceover, just input and output. By the end of the day, I had a finished blog post, a video, multiple social posts, and inbox zero, all in under 3 hours. So, did the AI work perfectly? No, but did it buy me back time? Absolutely. This wasn't just about getting more done. It was about getting my time back. To think, to rest, to create. If you want to learn how to build a workflow like this, and discover tools that actually make a difference, subscribe right now. New shortcuts and smarter systems drop every week, only here on Click and Flow. What AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments, and let's build your flow together.